A single hinge. 4 breakthroughs, each revolutionizing the industry. The Sugatsune HES Series represents 33 years of hinge innovation. In 1989, Sugatsune introduced the first concealed hinge. In 1992, the first adjustable concealed hinge was unveiled, allowing both horizontal and vertical adjustments. In 2006, Sugatsune launched its first hinge with 3D adjustability and a temporary fixing function for easier installation. 2022 marked another breakthrough with the release of a concealed hinge that surface mounts on the door jamb, significantly enhancing installation efficiency. That same year, the HES 1F was debuted. It was specifically designed for ultra-thin 8mm door frames. Sugatsune's HES series has redefined the possibilities of concealed hinges, contributing to advancements in spatial design and offering new potential to users worldwide.